Okay, I just fell down, and this lady over here is cracking up laughing at me. Not concerned if I'm okay or not. I'm walking through the leaves. What up? That's okay. Here's a road back here. Wow. And as you can see, there's the road, and all these bushes here need to be chopped down. So, those of you that want to come out here and have a future out here, we need a lot of help to get all this chopped down. It's not funny. That's where I fell at. Hey, Whitey. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna make my way back.